In this video, I will be showing you a new feature of the appointment booking app, custom booking forms. Custom booking forms lets you gather more information from a booker during the booking process. Let's get into how to set up the custom booking form. First, click on the appointment booking app. Select the service you want to edit the form in. In this case, it's cake tasting. Now, we will go down to the booking form and click on the edit icon. From here, you can add fields as well as edit them. To add a field, click on the Add a Field button. In this case, we are going to select the Multi-Select field. We can now input the options we want and click Done to insert that field. From there, we click Update to save the changes. We can also edit any of the fields in the form by clicking on the Edit icon next to the field we want to edit. Then we can go below and add a choice and fill in our next option. When that option is filled in, we click Done and Update again. Now, if we go to the website again, we will see our booking form there with the new option we made as well. That's all for this video. We'll see you in the next one.